Good evening, students. Today I am going to teach you the different types of image formed in both types of lenses, that is convex lenses and concave lenses. Previous class I have taught you the diffraction and refractions. Now let me discuss in that. There are two types of lenses we deal with it. One is concave, another is convex. It is your convex one is your concave lens and it is convex lens. The center is inverted, here center is depressed. Now I will show you the image formation in both cases, convex and concave lenses, where we will be putting the object and where the image will be formed. You need to correlate with it. Now take an example of that. It is your convex lens. Here, it is a principal axis. Principal axis. This point is optical center. Now, here, take it equidistance. Say it is your F2 and 2F2. It is a foci. F1 and again equidistance 2F1. It is a foci. Foci. So now, what are the possibilities of that image formation? Just think of your object may be here. Where will be the image? Where image will be formed? If the object is here, then where image will be formed? If object is position of the object is here, where the image will be formed. If the object is here, where the image will be formed. And if the object is here, then where the image will be formed. Here means beyond 2F1, then at 2F1, then between F1 and 2F1, then on focus 1, F1, and then between optical center and focal point. So these are the positions of the object and where the image will be. By using the ray diagram, you are going to make the image. There is a loss for when the object is in front of the lens, how the rays will be lost. It is very clear loss. It is F1. F1, if you take F1 from this side, you took it there, don't change it to F1, and here it is F2 and 2F2. Now see, the rule says that first, if the object is, image is parallel to the, if the rays is parallel to the principal axis, after a refraction, it will pass through, after refraction, it will pass through the focus. Second, if the object is like this, then another rays will pass through the optical center undeflected. Undeflected. So what they say? First rays will pass through parallel to the principal axis. After diffraction, it will pass through the focus. Second rule says the rays will pass through the optical center. It will not deviate. I am not telling that deviation will never be, because diffraction will be there. A diffraction itself is a bending of light. So deviation will be there, but it will be very minute. It is not visible because due to thin lenses. We will be using mostly thin lenses, not thick lenses. We will be drawing almost all images by using these lens. Now, take it one by one. First, when the object is beyond 2f, beyond 2f. Okay. Now the student pay attention. These are your lenses. It is a optical center. It is your f2 to f2. It is equidistant. This is equal to this. It is O. Here it is f1 and equidistance is 2f1. Object is here. Here. Now where the image will be formed, please pay attention. Check it. The rays is parallel to the principal axis. Will after diffraction it will pass through the focus. Focus. Now the next. Second, this will pass through. Now see, it is a straight line. So, the second ray has passed through the optical center. Now you are here. हम यहाँ पर हैं. हमारा इमेज यहाँ बनेगा. हम यहाँ पर हैं. Now what will this is my leg part. My leg part is the head. So image will be formed at this location. And head will be this, and leg will be this. So if it is A and B, then it becomes your A dash and B dash. Here the object is AB, the image is A dash and B dash. The nature of this image is what? What will be the nature? See, size of the image is nature inverted. उल्टा होगा, साइज डिमिनिश्ड होगा, डिमिनिश होगा, और कैसा इमेज होगा, रियल होगा, और कहां बनेगा, अपोजिट साइड ऑफ द लेंस, अपोजिट साइड ऑफ object, ऑब्जेक्ट लेंस के इस साइड है, इमेज दूसरी साइड बना है. So this is the case you have seen it. So now, second case again. Okay. Do not take thicker lens. It is your F1 and it become your 2F1, and this is your F2 and it is your 2F2. Now your object is at 2F1. So how the image will be formed? यहाँ पर इमेज कहाँ बना था, पोजीशन क्या था इमेज का, बिटवीन F2 and 2F2. अब यहां देखिए, ड्रॉ ए पैरेलल लाइन. आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन it will pass through the F2. Now, here you try to do something smart work so that you will be able to locate your image. So see, here you know that what exactly it is going to be. It is when the ray is passing through the center, optical center, do not deviate, it will be here. Just same size. The nature of image inverted, and object is zero. When object at 2F1 inverted equal in size of object. So object, in the size of the object is equal to the size of the image. Size of object equal to size of image, or inverted real position at 2F2. Now second case have you seen? Let me make the third case of this. When the object is in between between 2F1 and F2. तब क्या होगा? आपने देखा object is at 2F1 equal size बना. Here object is beyond 2F1. So object that is infinity. Object infinity पे है. Now here also take a principal axis. Optical center. It is F1, 2F1, F2, 2F2. This is your object. Now, my dear, we are taking the object is here. And take it this little more. Now what happens? Rays parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, It passes from the focus. This is as per the first law. Now second, it will pass through the optical center. Second. Now go straight. I think we have little bit deviated. This is a state. So your object is formed like this. So what will be the nature of object? Inverted. Second, beyond 2f2, very large, real, these are the three keys. Real, size of the image will be larger than the size of the object. Inverted, beyond 2f2. Now let me see the next case. Fourth case. Now take it to fourth case. It is your principal axis. It is your F1 and 2F1. Here F2 and 2F2. ये बात ध्यान देने का है. This is equal to this and equal to this. So all should have the equidistance. You must pay attention to what that. So what actually happens when your object was between 2F1 and 1, now object is at F1. Now object is at F1. Then what it will be? Think of check it. The third case, when object should be between 2F1 and F1, here image from just check it this. Now, there is a parallel line. After diffraction it passes through. After diffraction it passes through. The second line. So, actually what happens? The refracted rays image is formed at infinity. And very what will be the nature of image? Inverted, very large, real, and beyond 2F2 at infinity. Image will be formed at infinity, and this is your case when object is at one object is at focal. The image will be formed at infinity. Now take the example solve. This was the fourth case and fifth case. Our object is between optical center and focus. It is your principal axis. Okay. Now this is your optical center. Here it is 2F That is your F1 and 2F1. And here it becomes F2 and 2F2. Object is here. Object is between when object is between F1 and O, optical center. Optical center. ठीक है? अब देखिए इसमें आप इमेज कैसे parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it will pass through the F2. चलिए, ये हमारा फिफ्थ नंबर है. Second, it is passes through the So what actually happens? The refracted rays is a diverging. The rays is a diverging. Now, where image will be? Diverging rays will not be able to form the image. That's it. Now, draw it backwards. Somewhat. Now your image is formed here, it is your A, B, and then it will become your A dash and B dash. So what nature of image you will be getting here? It is a virtual, very large, erect, same side of the object. मतलब जिधर ऑब्जेक्ट है उधर ही बनेगा, काफी लार्ज बनेगा. आपको यही पॉइंट ध्यान देना. ठीक है? Now, let me do the concave view. Now try to understand the concave mirror. Concave mirror is a very easy. It has only same product, same image formation will be there. As per there is no that much of condition as per the convex mirror, the image formation. In the case of concave mirror, concave lenses. ठीक है? मिरर पढ़ाते पढ़ाते भी मिरर ही बनी हुई. ठीक है? In the case of concave lenses. So now this is your concave lens. Now what happens again here also? Same case. It is F1, 2F1, it is F2 and 2F2. Now what happens here? When a parallel is passes and diffracted, it is diffracting like this. When draw back, it will be like this. Refracted rays will pass like this. If the object is beyond 2F, here is the object, then second ray will pass through the optical center. That is the O. So what happens? Object formed is here A, B. It is A dash, B dash. Here, both the rays intersected. So, position of image, same side, virtual, same side, virtual, a smaller, that is diminished, second case, here what happens? F2 to F2, F1 to F1, object is at F2, this is when you draw back, then it will pass through the F2. Now again from center, again here your object is like this. What happens? It is diminished, very small, virtual, same side of object. तुम किसी भी केस में करोगे तुम्हारा इमेज वही बनेगा. तुम किसी भी केस में करोगे, इसके बाद करोगे तब भी इमेज तुम्हारा वही बनेगा. If object is here, again now same will pass through like this, image will be formed. Means all the cases you are getting image formed at same place. In the case of concave lenses. Okay? So, gentlemen, we have shown you this. Now we will meet in the next class. This is your ray diagram. Okay? Thank you.